Live team coverage this evening for you. First warning meteorologist Chris Martinez and Glenn Glazer monitoring the impacts in your neighborhood.
We begin tonight with severe weather expert Mike Lyons and the advisory just in from the National Hurricane Center. Mike, what can you tell us?
No change, Taylor. As we look at the new advisory from the National Hurricane Center, it is still a potential tropical cyclone, still expected to become a tropical storm. The first name is Alex, and is going to soak South Florida. We saw the rain start this morning. It continues to be steady at this hour. We're expecting heavy downpours tonight and through tomorrow morning. When all is said is done, we could get between 4, 8, maybe up to 10 inches of rain. Here's the center of the storm. It's about 350 miles away from Fort Myers, moving northeast at 7. And as you can see, the forecast from the Hurricane Center suggests the storm will remain a weak system, poorly organized, but could become a tropical storm by late tonight, early tomorrow morning. As it approaches Florida's southwest coast during the day tomorrow, moving onshore near Fort Myers, around Naples area, around 1, 2 o'clock, we're talking a low-end tropical storm, winds about 45 miles per hour. Then all day tomorrow, this system moves across our part of the state, and by 2 a.m. Sunday, you can see the system continuing to move away. South Florida remains under a tropical storm warning, which means we could see winds in excess, sustained winds in excess of 39 miles per hour tonight and again tomorrow. But the big impact and the big threat is rainfall and flooding. Let's continue our live team coverage now. Bring in meteorologist Chris Martinez, who's been watching the radar. And there's a lot to see, isn't there, Chris?
Lots of green, Mike. Lots of reds popping in some spots as well. You can see this is just shields of rain, my friends. Take a look outside. Look at all that green. That's light rain. We can handle that. But when we get concerned is when we get into these pockets of yellow downpours that just got out of Palm Beach Gardens, back up towards Jupiter and the farms crossing into Martin County. You can see the heavier showers just towards the west of 95, back towards Indiantown. Look at that shield of rain coming down. And this is why we're concerned. We're dealing with this for at least the next 12 to 24 hours. And this is just going to continue add up on already saturated grounds that continue to be, especially around Palm Beach County. Up towards the Treasure Coast, yeah, it's light shower activity, but this is going to be ongoing for a good stretch. So that's why we're really concerned with that high flood threat. Got some light shower activity from Fellsmere to Vero, Fort Pierce, back out towards Basseter and Okeechobee County. Get ready. That's a little heavier downpour, especially as we take a look just towards the west of Okeechobee. How much rain have we seen so far here across the area? Light amount so far. So we're doing okay, but the concern is down towards southern Palm Beach County, where just last week we did have some flooding threats. Down around Belle Glade, picking up close to an inch. Down towards Boynton and Boca, about 1.5 inches. Closer to Jupiter and Stewart, we're okay here, just picking up about 1/2 inch. So right now, steady shields of rain continue. What's happening over the next 12 to 24 hours? Let's continue our live team coverage and bring in meteorologist Glenn Glazer to talk about what happens next. Glenn?
Well, what happens next is we have to figure out where to put our focus. When we're looking at these computer models and looking at where possibly the center of the storm is now, although hurricane hunters have had a hard time finding one, we are looking really to the east of the center because the rainfall has been pushed over to the east of where the center is located. So when we put this into motion, this is the GFS, the American model, even while the center is over the west coast of Florida, a lot of the moisture is already all the center and over to the east coast of Florida. So as it continues that track across the state, even if the center of circulation is over our viewing area by about 12:30 tomorrow afternoon, most of the rainfall will already be offshore because it's being pushed over to the eastern side of this developing tropical cyclone. So we're going to watch for that tomorrow. We could be lucky and see a much better mid to late afternoon tomorrow and really get to enjoy a little bit of Saturday. Sunday, of course, looks much better as the circulation around whatever this becomes comes out of the north. That'll bring in some drier air out of the north and give us a much better afternoon for Sunday, for Saturday, and possibly all day Sunday with a little bit of rainfall still in the forecast late in the day Sunday. Here's a look at future rainfall. We've had rainfall totals popping up on and off today, anywhere from 5 to 6 to 7 to 8 inches. That's still a little up in the air depending on where it actually develops and where we get a center of what could be Tropical Storm Alex. Winds are going to pick up overnight tonight, and it'll really be early tomorrow morning that we start to see some winds around tropical storm force winds. There's a 43-mile-per-hour wind gust around 10 a.m. as we get into tomorrow, right around the Jupiter area. So we'll be watching for those gusty winds to fill in late tonight, early tomorrow morning, and maybe mid to late morning as well. We'll have more on this potential tropical cyclone coming up later this half hour.